Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to make Rayalaseema famous Ragi Sankati.
Welcome to our channel.
Paradise on my plate.
Take half glass of water, add 2 spoons of ragi flour and mix it thoroughly. This Ragi Sankati is famous in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh in India. Many people do in different methods, but the one I'm going to show you is the easiest one. The rice I'm using is broken basmati rice. Initially I cooked it well. Now I'm going to mix ragi flour water into this rice. Make sure you mix it thoroughly so that you won't get any lumps. Now I'm going to pressure cook this again for 2 to 3 whistles. Now I have taken the rice out. It looks like it cooked very well. Now I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Now you can serve it as it is, or you can make ragi mudda in traditional way. People usually serve ragi mudda with dal or peanut chutney or with rasam. Literally you can replace white rice with ragi mudda for lunch. I know some people are thinking about why is she not mentioning about the non-veg. I know, I saved the best for the last. So the best combination for ragi mudda is any chicken curry or mutton curry.